Hello, my dear friend. I'm so glad you're here with me. You are in a safe space where we will dive together into something truly powerful. Something that, if you let it, can change your whole life. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt misunderstood? Or maybe you've tried to express yourself, but the other person just didn't really get what you meant? Well, you're not alone. That's why today we are going to talk about something incredibly important. It's a topic that affects your relationships, your career, your confidence, even how you see yourself. I'm talking about communication. Not just talking, but truly connecting. Let's unlock together the 7 secrets to become a better communicator. Are you ready? Let's begin. Secret number 1: genuine listening. The first and the most powerful secret is the ability to truly listen. I mean, not just hearing words, but really listening. With your full attention, with your heart. When someone talks to you, try to be fully present. Don't think about what you're going to say next. Just listen. Feel their emotions. Watch their face. Be with them. Did you know Nelson Mandela, one of the most respected leaders in history, was known for listening, even to those who opposed him? He listened with empathy. That's how he built bridges, not walls. So start with it. Listen with care. Secret 2: empathy. Empathy is your superpower. It's the ability to imagine yourself in the place of others, to feel what they feel, to see the world just like them. When I show empathy, people open up. They trust us. They feel seen, heard, and valued. Like in the novel Gone with Wind, Scarlett O'Hara, despite her flaws, often shows empathy toward others, even when it's hard, when it costs her something. That's a real strength. Empathy builds emotional connection, and emotional connection builds trust. Secret number 3: clarity and brevity. Now, let's talk about clarity. Have you been in a conversation where someone talks and talks, but you still don't get their point? Yeah, we've all been there. So, here's a secret. Say less, but mean more. Be clear, be simple, be direct. Avoid going in circles. Say what matters. I'll give you a tip. Before you speak, think, what's the main idea I want to share? Then focus on that. People remember only clarity. Confusion, they forget in seconds. Secret number 4: respect and tolerance. Respect is the foundation of communication. Even if someone disagrees with you, even if their views seem strange, you're gonna respect their right to be heard. Every person carries a different story, a different background, a different truth. And that's okay. In the legend of King Arthur, knights of the Round Table treated each other as equals. Everyone had a voice. Everyone was listened to. And that's what respect looks like. It's space for all opinions, even ones we don't share. Secret number 5: active engagement. Have you ever talked to someone who just nodded but didn't really respond? Compare it to someone who asks you questions, reacts to your words, and keeps the energy alive. That's active engagement. Ask a question, react naturally, show interest. Make it a real dialogue, not a monologue. Some research show that when we engage actively, we build stronger relationships and more productive teams too. Try it next time. Ask one more question. Say one thoughtful thing. It makes a difference. Secret number 6. Openness to feedback. This one is hard for many of us, but is essential. Be open to feedback. Yes, even when it's critical, even when it stings a little. Feedback is a gift. It shows you how others see you, and it helps you grow. Studies can prove people who accept constructive feedback improve their communication skills much faster. They also become better leaders. So, when someone offers a suggestion, don't shut down. Say thank you. Think about it. Use it. You'll grow faster than ever before. And the last one, secret number 7, flexibility and adaptability. Communication isn't unisex. Every person is different. Every situation is unique. You need to be flexible. Adapt to who you're talking to. Listen not only to words, but also to tone, body language, emotions. Watch closely. Are they comfortable? Are they confused? Maybe energized? Change your pace. Adjust your tone. Be sensitive. Be responsive. That's what real communicators do. So now, you know the 7 secrets. Genuine listening, empathy, clarity and brevity, respect and tolerance, active engagement, openness to feedback, flexibility and adaptability. Take a moment to reflect. Which of these do you already use? Which could you work on? And remember, communication is not just a skill. It's a daily practice, a mindset, a way of being. Thank you for spending this time with me today. You are amazing, and you are growing every day. Keep listening, keep learning, and always keep connecting. Because the world needs your voice.